Morning student. Today we are going to start the chemical property of carbon compound of class 10 standard. Here first of all we will describe about substitution reaction and addition reaction. What is substitution and what is addition reaction? So firstly the substitution reaction. The substitution reaction is performed by the saturated hydrocarbon, mainly alkanes. In this reaction, a atom or a group of atom is substituted by another atom or a group of atom. In this reaction, when alkane, methane or ethane react with halogens, generally chlorine and bromine, in the presence of sunlight, the halogen atom substituted the hydrogen atom. This reaction is known as substitution reaction. Like this, here methane react with chlorine in presence of sunlight. Then what happens? The chlorine atom substituted the hydrogen atom. CH3Cl plus HCl. If we want to only methyl chloride, then the sunlight is removed. If the sunlight is present, then the reaction occurs. Next step, then CH2Cl plus HCl. Mainly CH2Cl plus Cl2 gives CHCl3 plus HCl. Then CHCl3 plus Cl2 gives CCl4 plus HCl. Here we will see that the hydrogen atom of alkane are substituted by the halogen atom. This reaction is known as substitution reaction. This reaction is known as substitution reaction. Here the product name is the general name. Firstly, the general name methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform, and carbon tetrachloride. The IUPAC name is chloromethane, dichloromethane, and trichloromethane or tetrachloromethane. Similarly, the ethane molecules are also undergoing the substitution reaction. Then what happens? C2H5Cl plus HCl. Again C2H5Cl plus Cl2. Sunlight. In each step the hydrogen is removed and Cl2 is added. Then C2H4Cl2 plus HCl, C2H4Cl2 plus Cl2, sunlight. Then C2H3Cl3 plus HCl. Again C2H3Cl3 plus Cl2, sunlight. C2H2Cl4 plus HCl. After that C2H2Cl4 plus Cl2, sunlight. C2HCl5 plus HCl. Again C2HCl5 plus Cl2 gives C2Cl6 plus HCl. In each step we will see that the hydrogen atom is removed by the halogen atom. The product name is monochloroethane, dichloroethane, trichloroethane, tetrachloroethane, pentachloroethane, and hexachloroethane. The hexachloroethane is the artificial camphor which is used in our home. Here, the substitution reaction, once again, the substitution reaction is performed by alkanes, only alkanes. That's a saturated hydrocarbon.